Hello everyone, welcome back. Kevin with Survivalist Boards. Man, this is my third wheelbarrow load of chicken manure out here. Guys, some of y'all may be saying, Kevin, why ain't that wheelbarrow like all the way up here where you can carry more? So that's about all I care to carry, and it's about 200 yards from the chicken house to the garden area. Chicken house is back behind me, probably close to 200 yards. That's all I care to carry at a time. It's a couple hundred pounds. And so this is my third load out here. We've got a garden row. We've got some beans coming up over there by the tiller. I'm going to work on those. Got some coming up over there. I'm going to go ahead and plant in some more beans. How I did these, that's that row right over there, is I tilled the row up. Then I came in and put chicken manure down. Tilled it up again. Put another thing of chicken manure. And then covered it all up. Well, I planted the seeds and then raked it all up. That's the same thing I'm doing here. These plants are not growing, and that is usually a sign of lack of nitrogen in the soil. There's plenty of potash. See these little peppers coming up right here? This is a Cajun spice pepper. See, they got the little peppers coming up. That's a sign that they've got potash. Now remember, a couple of years ago, we had a big New Year's bonfire right there where that wheelbarrow was at. Had some of these timber cut out of here, had a bunch of treetop stuff like that, piled them up here. Then had a New Year's bonfire, then used the tractor to level all that ash out. And there's charcoal all in here. So these plants are doing good on the potash, and bone meal I'm not too worried about because that's root production. Potatoes still have not come up, I'm not worried about them. I figure they'll come up whenever they're ready. So what we did, or what I did, I'm doing all this by myself. So I came along with that tiller, and I tilled down, you see little rows on each side of these peppers. Came down here with one wheelbarrow load of chicken manure. That's what all this brown stuff is spread through there. Just throw it in here. Like that right there, that's just chicken manure. That's just straight out of the chicken house chicken manure. Do it down in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that tiller, come down through it, and I'm gonna till that up. Mix that manure in with the soil. So I'm not putting straight manure right on top of the plants. Well, I did. This came out of the brooder house. So it's got some aged manure on there, but I don't know how much nitrogen is left in there because that came out from underneath the brooder house. We've got a big storm coming in next few days and need to get this done, and then hopefully it's be coming up nice next week. So that's what I'm doing. All right, guys, let's get to tilling. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Got that row nice and made up. Remember whenever we started, it was just kind of flat. Now we've got that chicken manure tilled into that soil, and also I throw some chicken manure in between the plants. Some of the more aged, get that plant off of here. Some of the more aged chicken manure I kind of put between the plants. Fresh stuff kind of went like in the ground, got it all tilled up. Then came in and raked up the mound. So we're supposed to get a nice rain in the next couple of days. Well, it's supposed to be tomorrow. It's supposed to be a strong front come through. So I expect a lot of this mound will get washed away. So what we're going to do is after it gets washed away, we're going to come back in, till it up, may even throw some more chicken manure down. I don't know. I'll probably wait a month or so, a few weeks, see how this does. And then just take and we're going to do that mound back up after the rain. Same thing over there. That'll probably get washed down, and we will come in and rake it all back up and keep this garden going, guys. Anyway, that's it for now, and I will talk to y'all later.